Hello. These instructions are for installing Spigot Newel posts. Before you begin, make sure you have the right tools for the job. You will need a tape measure, a pencil, some adhesive, a plane, an electric sander, a spirit level, a wood saw and a drill with a 50mm Forstner bit. Spigot Newel posts attach to existing Newel bases, so the first step is to prepare the bases. We'll start with the bottom Newel base, so place the spirit level along the edges of the bottom few steps and up against the Newel base, and then mark a line on the Newel base along the underside of the spirit level. This will be the pitch line. Measure the width of the Newel base and mark the center of the Newel through the pitch line. From where the two lines intersect, measure up 260mm and mark a horizontal line. Using the same process, mark the top Newel base at 195mm. Using a saw, cut through the posts along these lines. Now using a straight edge, mark a cross on the top of the posts from corner to corner. This will give you the center of the posts. Using a 50mm Forstner bit, drill down the center of the post to a depth 5mm deeper than the length of the Newel spigot. Next, we need to round off the square edges of the Newel bases to match the appearance of the Newel posts. Measure the diameter of the bottom face of the Spigot Newel and transfer it to the tops of the Newel bases. When rounding off the edges, we don't want to touch the inside of this circle. Now find something round with a similar curve to that on the tops of the Newel posts. This could be a plate or maybe a lid. Place the object up against the Newel bases, with the top slightly lower than the top of the post, and mark a curve on all sides of both posts. Using a plane or a sander, and using your lines as a guide, shape the Newel bases until the required look is achieved. Next, offer the Spigot Newels into each Newel base to check that they fit and are vertical using a spirit level. Remove the Spigot Newels and fit the handrail to the Newel heads. Check out our handrail installation video for a detailed guide on this. With the handrail attached, check that the posts still fit into the bases and are still vertical, and then remove them again. Apply some gap-filling adhesive to the insides of the holes in the Newel bases. Then lastly, offer the Spigot Newels and handrail into the Newel bases and press down until the bottom of the Spigot Newels are seated onto the top of the Newel bases. For more help, check out our other fitting instructions.